Hello everyone, welcome to our English story at this busy cafe today.
Hi friends, thank you for watching. Stay with us and learn English.
Today you will learn simple English for real life in a cafe.
The level is mostly A1, with some easy B1 later, so relax.
Please subscribe to our channel and practice with us every week, okay?
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from today.
Good morning, Jessica. Are you ready for some coffee and breakfast?
Good morning, Ryan. Yes, I am hungry and excited to go inside.
I think I have my wallet and phone. Everything is okay.
Great, let us go inside, order food, and practice some English.
Thank you, Jessica. After we eat, we can review some key phrases.
Yes, we will show useful words for ordering and asking for help.
Please listen carefully to our cafe conversations and repeat the sentences at home.
Okay, let us go inside now and start our breakfast story.
It looks busy inside, but I really want a big breakfast today.
Same here. A busy cafe is perfect to practice real, everyday English.
Wow, everything looks delicious. I will order a large breakfast today.
Good idea. I think I will order coffee and some toast first.
Hello, I would like a large breakfast plate and an orange juice, please.
And I would like a medium latte and a piece of cake, please.
Thank you. That is all for now. I will pay by card.
Ryan, your breakfast sounds very big. I hope you are really hungry today.
Wait, where is my wallet? I cannot find it in any pocket.
Really? Check again, maybe in your back pocket or your bag, Ryan?
No, it is not here. I think I forgot my wallet at home.
Okay, do not panic. Let us move to the side and talk calmly.
This is so embarrassing. I ordered so much food and now I cannot pay.
It happens sometimes. Take a deep breath. We can handle this situation together.
What can I say to the staff? My English feels too simple for problems.
Simple English is okay. You can say, I forgot my wallet. I am very sorry.
I forgot my wallet. I am very sorry. Okay, I can say that.
Viewers, repeat after us later. This sentence is useful when you have a problem.
But what about the bill? The breakfast is big. It may be expensive.
I can pay today. I promise I will cover everything and you can pay me later.
Thank you so much, Jessica. I promise I will transfer the money tonight.
No problem. Friends help each other, but you still need to explain everything politely.
Okay, I will talk to the staff now and use the simple sentence.
I am right here with you. If you need help, I can join the conversation.
I forgot my wallet. I am very sorry. Please, my friend will pay today.
Perfect. That sounds clear and polite. The staff will understand your situation easily.
Everything is okay now. Jessica paid, and the staff were kind and understanding.
Yes, and Ryan explained clearly. Remember, simple sentences can solve problems in real life.
Thank you for watching our story. Goodbye, everyone. And goodbye, Jessica. See you next time.
Bye, viewers, and bye, Ryan. Take care, practice English, and always support your friends. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Imperatives drop the subject. Add please to imperatives. Questions are vital in service talk. Example, wait, where is my wallet? Use can to ask for options. Example, what can I say to the staff? Present simple states facts or thoughts. For example, I think I have my wallet and phone. Be plus adjective shows states. Example, everything is okay. Example, I am very sorry. Will shows future or quick decisions. Use will for immediate decisions. Example, I will pay by card. Can shows ability or offers. Example, I can pay today. May shows possibility, formal. Example, it may be expensive. Negatives use not clearly. Example, no, it is not here. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Example, do not panic. Example, I cannot find it in any pocket. Suggestions use let us. Let us move to the side and talk calmly. Encourage practice with imperatives. Example, viewers, repeat after us later. Soften statements with I think. For example, I think I forgot my wallet at home. Use short checks to confirm. Example, really? Praise and approval build rapport. Example, good idea. Example, perfect. Encouraging empathy helps. Example, it happens sometimes. Example, take a deep breath. End with supportive closings. Example, bye viewers and bye Ryan. Egg, thank you for watching our story. I will show when to use them in real life. First, greetings for polite starts. Example, good morning, Jessica. Example, good morning, Ryan. Friendly tone with hi, friends. Use names to sound personal. Short thanks are polite. Example, thank you. Add please to be softer. For example, please, my friend will pay today. Request use would like politely. Use it for ordering items. Imperatives can be polite. Example, stay with us and learn English.